Dear student, myself Prakash Garg, Assistant Professor, Department of Geology at Government Bangalore PG College, Didwana. Today we are going to cover mineralogy topic. What is mineral? Earth is composed of rocks. Rocks are aggregate of mineral. So mineral are basic building blocks of Earth. Currently there are over 4,000 different mineral known and dozen of new minerals are discovered each year. Our society depend on mineral as the source of metals like iron, copper, gold, silver, zinc, nickel, and aluminium, etc. Non-metals such as gypsum, limestone, halite, clay, and talc. Many minerals of great economic importance and their distribution, extraction, availability have played an important role in history. Minerals are composed of atoms. We will start our discussion with geological definition of mineral. Mineral is building blocks of rocks. Mineral have five criteria which make a mineral a mineral. Definition of mineral: naturally occurring, solid, formed by inorganic process. Mineral have a definite chemical composition. Mineral have a definite crystal structure. Mineral are naturally occurring. Mineral form in nature on its own. Some say without the aid of humans. Mineral are solid. Solid, it cannot be liquid or gas. Mineral are inorganic. Mineral usually formed by inorganic process. Although a mineral can be formed by organic process, the cell of many marine invertebrate are formed of mineral calcite or aragonite. The cell are major component of many limestone layer. Mineral apatite make up substantial portion of teeth and bone of invertebrate. Mineral have definite chemical composition. Mineral with a definite chemical composition, every time we see the same mineral, it has same chemical composition that can be expressed by chemical formula. Mineral have a definite crystal structure. Mineral have characteristic crystalline structure. Atoms are arranged within the mineral in a specific ordered manner. Example: mercury. Mercury is not mineral because it is not solid at room temperature. So mercury is a not a mineral but is a mineraloid. Ice is a mineral because naturally occurring solid formed by inorganic process have have a definite chemical composition and have a definite crystal structure. So ice is a mineral, but water is a not mineral because water is occurring in a liquid stage. Diamond. Diamond is a mineral because naturally occurring solid formed by inorganic process have a definite chemical composition and definite crystal structure. So diamond is a mineral. Graphite. Graphite is a mineral because naturally occurring solid formed by inorganic process have a definite chemical composition and definite crystal structure. So graphite is mineral. Coal. Coal is naturally occurring solid formed by formed by organic process. So coal is not a mineral. Glass. Glass is not a mineral because glass is not have crystalline structure. So glass is not a mineral. Salt, NaCl. Naturally occurring solid inorganic formed by inorganic process, chemically have a definite chemical composition, have a definite crystal structure. So salt halite is a mineral. Mineraloid. Mineraloid is a substance that satisfies some but not all the criteria of definition of mineral. Example: opal. Opal does not have a characteristic crystalline structure, so it is a mineraloid. Mineralogy. Mineralogy is the branch of geology that concern all the aspects of mineral, including their physical properties, chemical composition, internal crystal structure and occurrence and distribution in nature and their origin in the term of the physiochemical condition of formation.